What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano, guys. ADA. We came up to that level of resistance we dropped in on the channel. We're sitting at 221. We're up almost 5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 70.17 billion. 24-hour volume is 4.34 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we came right up to our level of resistance at 225, and we're seeing a little bit of a pullback here, which is perfectly healthy. Now I have noticed that we're in a bit of a descending, broadening channel or broadening wedge here. So if you see us come up and we start to break this level of resistance, we could head all the way up to the top of the wedge, which is coming in at about $2.58. We also have a little bit of a double bottom here for ADA. As you can see here, created a double bottom, and we're currently back testing the neckline, which is coming in at about $2.18. Now, if we do break this neckline, guys, I have dropped in 205. There's support in this area, as you can see right here as well, support. So that could give us an opportunity to bounce. If we lose that particular level of support, do target $1.89. So let's hop into the 4-hour time frame. So you can see we came up, we got rejected by the 55 EMA, and we're currently trying to hold the 20 EMA as support. So if we do continue to roll over here, we have a strong level of support at 205, and we could create a bit of a larger double bottom here where we come down and we create a second bottom. And if that plays out here, you would drop in your neckline. Of course, it's quite a ways from playing out, but we can give a target anyways here. We'd bring ADA back up pretty close to this level of resistance at about $2.66. So let's pop into ADA on the daily time frame. So we're currently getting rejected by the 55 EMA here on the daily. We are coming close to oversold, and we've had multiple bounces from this level. So if we were to see that double bottom play out, it would bring us back above the EMAs on the daily, and we'd be good to go for continuation on this bull run. However, if Bitcoin were to come down to its technical target from the head and shoulders, do target $1.89 for ADA. And I've also dropped in this level. I'm just going to go back to the 4-hour time frame just so it's easier to see for you guys at $1.71, which was a previous swing low. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we are back testing the neckline. We had a throwback. So if we can hold this level of support, we can see that continuation. But as you can see here, we have come up to 70 on the RSI, and we've had multiple moves back down from this level. So what may happen is we come down to one of these levels of support, we bounce, and we see that continuation to the upside. So let's finish off the video with ADA here. Keep an eye on this neckline. It's coming in at about 219. If we hold it as support, the target from this double bottom is at 248. You have your target from your descending broadening wedge up at 258. If we do lose this neckline, we come back down to 205 or $1.89. We have that larger double bottom pattern that could form here, and the target for that is back up at about 267 for ADA. If Bitcoin went through a much larger correction, do target $1.71 as your next level of support. All right, guys, that's it for ADA. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. Great way to stay ahead of the game. Price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Up to $600 in bonuses. They're giving away free crypto. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.